Welcome to the Food and Beverage Manufacturing Marketing Benchmarks for 2026. Powered by CUFinder, this report breaks down the digital marketing metrics that matter most for food and beverage manufacturing professionals worldwide. Device distribution shows mobile at 72.4%, desktop at 24.1%, and tablet at 3.5%. Mobile optimization is essential for reaching your audience effectively in this industry. For engagement, average session duration is 16 minutes with 3.8 pages per session. The bounce rate averages 48.5%. Traffic sources reveal organic search drives 44% of all traffic. Direct traffic accounts for 30%. Paid search brings 18%, and social contributes 44%. For pay-per-click, Google Ads CPC averages $1.95. Facebook ads cost $0.92 per click. The average cost per acquisition is $34.50. Conversion rates show an overall rate of 3.2%. Retention metrics show a 38% customer retention rate. On social media, LinkedIn leads at 80% engagement. TikTok follows at 4.5%. Instagram is at 1.8%. Email marketing shows an average open rate of 2.8%. Click-through rate is 68%. Key takeaways for food and beverage manufacturing. Mobile traffic at 72.4% makes mobile first essential. LinkedIn leads social engagement at 80%. Email open rates of 2.8% show strong audience engagement, and organic search drives 44% of all traffic. Thank you for exploring the Food and Beverage Manufacturing Benchmarks 2026. For more data-driven insights and to find your customers faster, visit CUFinder at CUFinder.io.